Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this time I'm going to show you how you can close multiple apps at once on your Android phone, right? So of course, as you are on your home screen, you can go to the multitasking panel, which is this button at the bottom indicated with the 3 vertical lines. So when you click there, all of the open apps are going to open up, right, or show themselves in this like mode or view. And below, first of all, you have the button to close all of the apps at once, right? So if I want to do this with a click of a button, I'm going to close all of the apps at once. Or as you can see, you're going to swipe them away one by one. And this kind of depends on your phone, but if you have the apps open in this mode, you can also grab the app below, and on some devices you could even join the selection with more fingers, right? And you could technically swipe away 2 or more apps at once. It doesn't quite work on my device for some reason, but you know, there are devices like iPhones are known for this, right, where you have the ability to basically swipe away multiple tabs, right? So you'd have the ability to swipe 1, 2, and 3, right, and just close them away like that. On some Android phones it might work as well, but as I say, the best way by far is still to click on the close all button below, and it's going to just close them all at once without you having to worry about it. So let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.